Randy. I'm a CEO of Avirtech.
I am Wilson, COO of Avirtech. So Avirtech is an agri-tech precision agriculture company. So we have a tri-pronged approach, so using drones for mapping, which means using drones equipped with sensors and then supplemented by using ground data. So the third part of it is to implement drone and robotics to automate and mechanize the way they do the agriculture products. So we collect all this information, end of the day is to help agriculture companies, these plantations, to make better decisions.
Cloud computing has been a tremendous help for our business. We started by deploying a SaaS model, BioData, which stands for Bio IoT Data, whereby it allows our plantations managers, our customers, able to access it anywhere from their plantation or even from their head office. It allows them to have a cost-effective, yet be able to control, monitor, and automate their plantations everywhere. Similar with all other startups, the problem usually is about scalability and the resource associated with it. And that's also the reason why we actually adopt this, we call it hybrid model, whereby we are not only looking at pushing a technology, but we're also looking at how we can make it sustainable. Alibaba Cloud Demo Days has been a tremendous help for us in terms of exposure to the region. So we as a small company, and we just started a few years ago, not many people actually know us, especially in agriculture. So Alibaba as a huge company allows us to have this exposure to various parts of the plantations.
Alibaba Cloud has been very effective and helpful for us. Number one, they have a great ecosystem and community. We operate in Indonesia, and some of the few companies with a data center in Indonesia is Alibaba Cloud. So that has been a huge progress for us, and the certifications gives confidence for them to use the solutions. So in Avirtech, we want to be the forefront of this catalyst to change agriculture, to transform agriculture, and make them more efficient, more effective.